The Columbiana County Health District has worked extensively to make the COVID-19 vaccination process as safe and efficient as possible. A brand new facility was built at the Columbiana County Fairgrounds to accommodate the demand for this vaccine. First off, remember to wear something comfortable to the clinic that allows you to easily expose your upper arm. Bathrooms and changing facilities will not be provided on site. When you arrive at the fairgrounds, use the main entrance off of Lee Avenue and State Route 517. Watch for signs directing you where to go and be patient, and please drive slowly. You will enter on the track and the line will form in an S shape up and around the grandstands to the new Columbiana County Vaccination Complex, located in the northwest corner of the fairgrounds. When you reach the building, our staff will hand you a registration form to complete. This form will ask basic information, your name, address, date of birth, phone number, and a few short yes or no questions about your health history. Please have this form filled out and ready to hand to our medical staff after entering the building. When you're instructed to pull into that building, please have your window rolled down to hear instructions and drive slowly. Once inside, place your vehicle in park, turn your engine off, and expose your upper arm to receive the vaccine. Remember, stay in your vehicle. After everyone in the building has been vaccinated, you'll be directed to exit. Next, you'll pull out and around and park in the waiting area to the side of the building to be monitored for 15 minutes. This is required to assure you do not have any adverse reactions from the vaccine. So take this time to review the information provided to you about this vaccine. Finally, you will exit the fairgrounds at Vista Drive. COVID-19 has been challenging for all of us. The Columbiana County Health District would like to thank you for your cooperation and patience throughout this process.